Blue Sniffly Day. Hi, have you seen Blue? She's been under the weather for a few days, and we want to find out how she's feeling. You found her. Achoo! Bless you. We thought you might want to play, Blue, but it doesn't look like your sniffles have gone away yet. What can we do to make Blue feel better? Look, Blue, Dr. Shovel and Nurse Pail are making a house call. Can you spot anything in the room that Shovel and Pail might need for their pretend doctor's visit? Open up and say, Jew. Bless you. It looks like Dr. Shovel and Nurse Pail's pretend checkup isn't going to help cure Blue's real cold. Maybe Mailbox has something to make Blue feel better. Mail's here. Blue's friends from school sent her a get well card. Get well soon, Blue. We miss you. What a nice card. It really helped to cheer Blue up. Blue is going to take a nap now, but after all that sneezing, she wants to wash her hands first. Good idea, Blue. I'll help you. Can you tell which towels belong to Blue? You know, when I don't feel well, I like to hold Horace, my antenna. Horse always makes me feel better. Let's see if we can find a stuffed animal for Blue to hold. Do you see any? Maybe reading a story will help Blue feel better. Is that a good idea, Blue? Blue? Blue's asleep. Well, maybe sleeping will make her feel better. We can try to be very, very quiet so Blue can sleep. How quiet can you be? This quiet. Even quieter. You're so good at being quiet. Why don't we tiptoe down to the kitchen and see what Mr. Salt, Mrs. Pepper, and Paprika are up to? Come on. Hello, Steve. We're making homemade soup to help Blue get over her sniffles. Will you help us find the rest of the ingredients for Mr. Salt's recipe? You will? Great. We want to give Blue the biggest bowl of soup. Can you find the biggest bowl? Soup's ready. Let's pour some orange juice for Blue. Can you find an orange cup for her juice? What else should we put on her tray? I think sleeping made Blue feel a little better. Now she's ready to enjoy the soup we made. Thanks for helping Blue to feel better.